my Blue Ridge Mountain home. Oh, the men I meet ain't warm and friendly like the one in North Virginia. Nothing real like my Blue Ridge Mountain boy. Oh, I was just a little past 18 when I came to New Orleans. I had never been beyond my home state line. There was a boy there, he loved me dearly, but I broke his heart severely when I left my Blue Ridge Mountain boy. Oh, but life was dull in my hometown. Lights were out when the sun went down, and so I thought that city life was more my style, just a little more my style. But nights get lonely away from home, and it's easy to go wrong. The man ain't kind like my Blue Ridge Mountain boy. And New Orleans have things in store, things I never bargained for. And every night a different man knocks on my door. Oh, but late at night when all is still, I can hear a whippoorwill as I cry for my Blue Ridge Mountain boy. But I can never go back home, 'cause the boy I love is gone. I guess I got tired waiting for me to return. They say he married last October, but I never will get over all the sweet love of my Blue Ridge Mountain boy.